Imagine being able to capture the look you love. The mood, the colors, the vibe. Instantly without hours of editing. This vision began in 2023 when we first introduced Realtime LUT. The response was beyond anything we expected. Videographers celebrated the creative freedom. Photographers embraced it too, thrilled to achieve stunning results straight out of the camera. Realtime LUT didn't just speed up workflows, it brought photography and videography closer together. In fact, we believed in this technology so strongly that we even secured a patent for it, because we wanted to ensure that the innovation behind Realtime LUT could continue to deliver unique value to creators everywhere. Now, if you've never heard of a LUT, think of it simply as a preset or a recipe for color. Like a filter, but far more powerful. It's a way to instantly give your images or videos their own unique mood and style. But there was a challenge. Not everyone knew how to create LUTs. Only a handful had the tools or skills to fully take advantage of it. That's why we built Lumix Lab, an app designed to make LUT creation accessible to everyone. Now, you could edit colors and create LUTs entirely on your smartphone. No PC required. With the familiar editing interface, creators everywhere could suddenly explore their own unique style in both photo and video. But still, we knew there was one more step to take. Because while some creators enjoy diving deep into color theory and fine-tuning curves, many simply want a faster, more intuitive, almost automatic way to achieve stunning results. And today, we're giving you exactly that. A brand new feature inside Lumix Lab, one that makes it effortless for any creator at any level to craft their own signature look. It's fast, it's easy, and yes, it's a little bit magical. Introducing Magic LUT. The idea behind Magic LUT was simple: to make the joy of using LUTs truly accessible to everyone. And the best part? It couldn't be easier. With Magic LUT, all you need is a single image that you love. Select that image, and in an instant, the app will reproduce its colors, tones, and overall mood into a LUT. And of course, you're always in control. You can fine-tune the colors before saving it, and even adjust the opacity while you're shooting so that your look is always tuned perfectly to your taste. Here's something we're especially proud of. Magic LUT and Lumix Lab as a whole works with all Lumix cameras' color photo styles. That means even if you're using one of our earlier generation cameras without the Realtime LUT feature, you can still enjoy the experience. As long as your photos or videos are in the app, you can explore and create just like the latest models. And here's what we've discovered. About half of the people currently using Lumix Lab are creating with either earlier generation Lumix cameras, with other brand cameras, or even with just their smartphones. That tells us something important. This isn't just a tool for one brand. It's a shared joy among creators everywhere. That's exactly why we designed Magic LUT to also support images not taken with the Lumix camera. In other words, you don't need to own a Lumix camera to experience the magic. It's open to everyone who loves creating. If you haven't tried it yet, we invite you to experience the freedom of creating your own color. Because once you do, you'll never look at your images the same way again. Let's put it this way. LUTs were once for the few. Now with Magic LUT, they're for everyone. An effortless way to turn inspiration into your own unique look. But Lumix Lab isn't only the new tool designed to empower creators. We've also introduced Lumix Flow, an app that seamlessly brings together storyboard creation, shooting, and data management. With Lumix Flow, you can sketch out your ideas on a smartphone, then use it as an external monitor on set, helping you visualize, plan, and capture without uncertainty. It streamlines your entire workflow from start to finish. And now, Lumix Flow is compatible with the Lumix S5 Mark II, S5 Mark II X, and G8-7. with added features like multi-device support for mirroring function and vertical UI support in external monitor. For these cameras, you'll also find additional improvements designed to elevate your shooting experience, such as support for LUT View Assist, multiple frame marker, and autofocus frame display in external monitor. These enhancements will also be supported on the S1R Mark II, S1 Mark II, and S1 Mark II-E in the near future. For full details, be sure to check our app release note. Is today's announcement all about our apps? Certainly not. Now on the screen, you'll see updates available for a range of our cameras. Startup time has been improved for the Lumix S5 Mark II, S5 Mark II X, G8-7, and G9 Mark II. Bluetooth connection for DJI RS4 Pro, RS4, and RS4 Mini is now available for the Lumix S5 Mark II, S5 Mark II X, and G8-7. It will also be available for the S1R Mark II, S1 Mark II, and S1 Mark II-E without the need for a firmware update. Manual focus ring function and rotation direction customization is now supported for the Lumix S5 Mark II, S5 Mark II X, and S9. Today's announcements are more than just new features. They're about giving every creator the freedom to tell their story their way. Whether it's through the power of Magic LUT, the streamlined workflow of Lumix Flow, or the updates that keep our cameras evolving. Everything we build is designed with one goal in mind: to help you create without limits. All of these new tools and updates, including the latest camera firmware, will be available starting October 20th at 1 a.m. UTC. Get ready to experience them and bring your creative ideas to life. The future of content creation is brighter, faster, and more exciting than ever. And we can't wait to see what you'll create with Lumix.